Michael Lewis Hudson. Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new here, welcome. We like to do fitness reviews to make you a better you. Today's video, we're going to be doing a full unboxing and also using these beautiful bad boys called the Torroband. The company sent it out to me, and what they claim to be is the sole company to create the absolute best resistance band on the market. So I'm going to go test that out and let you guys know my honest thoughts. So it's safe to say that resistance band training is a great alternative to traditional weightlifting training, and the reason being is that resistance bands not only going to increase your range of motion, but also not put so much stress on your muscles and your joints in general. You know, there's tons of athletes out there that are adopting this type of workouts. You know, Tom Brady being one of them. He really endorses resistance band training over using traditional weights, and look at him now. I mean, the guy's a GOAT, right? So for me personally, I usually don't use resistance band as much. I am leaning more towards weightlifting because I just feel a lot better using it, and I feel that my strength has gone up exponentially. But at the end of the day, it's really going to come down to, you know, what your fitness goals are and what you're looking to accomplish when it comes to your fitness and your physique. Okay, so I have the Torroband box right here. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Whoa. This is intense, dude. So I can tell you already, I'm super impressed with this box. I mean, it's just highly organized. Look at this, you get all the resistance bands and such. You have this inspiring cutout right here. You know, when I opened the box, I kind of had like this giddy feeling, like, oh man, I'm amped to use these things. So let's dive deeper in these bad boys. All right, so we have the box here. We're gonna pull these out. Resistance band of 70 pounds. That's crazy because I've never heard of resistance band offering that much resistance. Have one for 80 pounds here. Also have 40 pounds, 60 pounder. So you're basically going from 40 to 80 pounds. And also the handlebars. It comes with some carabiner hooks. The nice little logo here as well. So the one thing I did notice is that there wasn't any instructions on how to put these things together. So someone who's brand new to this item, you know, it may be a little confusing at first. So you have the carabiner hook here. So basically you would just hook it in, boom, your handlebars here. No idea what this material is, but it's kind of like a rubbery, you got plastic here, but super durable, really good on the hands. Carabiner going here, just solid metal. You know, the band is just like extremely tough. I mean, I think this is like 4 or 5 resistance bands into one almost. Here's a quick comparison of the size difference. So I have a typical normal resistance band here. You see it's a little thin. Look at the difference between the two. Easy it is to just press my finger through it. This one is not so much. They feel freaking amazing. Again, this is the 70 pound one. Honestly, I'm just so blown away by the quality, and they feel really, man, really good. Very impressed how I'm using it so far. And let's continue to check these guys out.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Had my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby.
All right, everybody, finished the workout, and I can tell you right now that I was extremely impressed. So what really blew me away just the entire workout was just how sturdy and just how strong the bands were. The material that it's made out of is I just feel like it's never gonna break. You know, I've used resistance bands in the past. They've snapped time and time again, especially when I step on them with, you know, with my feet or what have you. Final rating, I'm gonna give this a 9.2 out of 10. Again, really good, solid material. I can definitely see myself using this, and someone who's, you know, just wants to take a break from traditional weightlifting, you know, I really suggest this because it's really going to activate your muscles right away, especially with the heavier and heavier bands that you're using. As always, feel free to hit the link down in my description. As the first one there is going to lead you to the Torroband website, and you can save some money. It's about 50% off right now, so definitely jump on that because it's very limited time. And again, this resistance band training is going to be an awesome alternative, you know, especially for newbies who are looking to get into working out for the first time, or if you want to take a break from the weights, or if you're slowly getting back into working out. This is definitely going to help you get the gains that you need. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe button if you like this video, and follow me on Instagram. I post on there almost every single day. I really am blessed and humbled to have your guys' support. I really do appreciate it, and we will see you in the next video. Keep crushing it, my friends.